Are you a dentist who wants to make money through alternate sources of income alongside dentistry? Here is your opportunity. Hi, I'm Dr. Karthik Karnala, CEO of Dentapreneur, a platform for dentists where we help them discover, reskill, and collaborate themselves into new career possibilities and opportunities. Dentists think it is not possible to earn money through alternate sources of income, but it is not true. Recently, we have started a masterclass on how to become a dentapreneur, and our participants are already getting confidence and opportunities to start a new journey as entrepreneurs. Listen to them, and I'll get back to you.
Arjun, go ahead.
The best aha moment, the best aha moment I told you is like the finding the USP or the uniqueness in your product or uniqueness in the way you do the business is the one aha moment I found out today, and that's what as I was telling you earlier, the difference between normal trading and making yourself as a startup or a company moving forward. So what differences were there which doing the same product and coming back to the company would not help me out. That was one great thing I came to know today. Thank you very much for that aha moment.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Anything else you want to add? Arjun, we want to move on to next question. Anything else?
That's it, Kashyap. So that was the best part. That USB but only I'm just getting it reminded again and again. Other than that, looking forward for great thoughts, such great thoughts ahead.
Thank you so much. So, Medini, what was your best aha moment?
My best aha moment was the keyword search on Instagram and Google and Facebook. I'll definitely try it today because it is closely related to my product. I didn't know it was so important in this time.
Because this is all organic, right? Now we don't want to pay money and get to, we think customers are not there. Customers are right in front of us, and we have to like go to them, talk to them, and people will pay money. Organic, this is pure organic. You don't have to have money, right? The whole essence of this masterclass is how can you make money with even zero investment. Now, do you get a confidence that you can do it?
Yeah, definitely. Confident.
Excellent, very good. Any other aha moments for this class?
The whole ocean example was very nice. Awesome it was.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. So Hari Krishna, anything you want to add? What was your aha moment?
Sir, it's not about particular aha moment, sir. Everything what I am listening and finding out is new, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So I can tell you, sir, everything is a whole new experience, sir, in listening. Each and every term, sir, like credibility, leverage, USA, these all terms I have heard never before. And I'm finding out curiosity, sir. This curiosity is making me listening even more.
Right, but by knowing this now, do you feel confident that you can become a dentapreneur, start making money from an alternate source of income? Do you feel confident about that at least?
Yes, sir. Why? Because at least these terms make me confident, sir. When I face anyone or any term, by using such terms and such knowledge, I think I can stand out, sir.
Excellent, very good. So, are we done with Priyadarshana? No, Priyadarshana, go ahead.
Sir, I like the red and blue ocean part very much.
Excellent.
Suits in all situation. And the next thing is finding the USP.
Very good. Excellent. So what action are you going to take because of this knowledge?
I'm going to come up with my ideas of changing, like to fulfill my customers. I've already called up 10 to 15 people. Mm-hmm. So I've got their ideas, like what changes has to be done. So I'm going to come up with my idea and proceed, sir.
Excellent. Good. So, Dr. Anupama, what is your best moment? You can unmute yourself.
So most of the time when we ask people to help us out, know what our strength is, they only focus on the positive. The fact that you asked us to even list out our weaknesses and focus on them was a good thing. That was what I liked best. Mm-hmm. That, even our weaknesses play a major role in us succeeding.
Excellent. So what are you going to do with this new knowledge? What action are you going to take?
I'm going to figure out what I can, accomplish with these.
Excellent. High fives, all of you. Virtual high fives. Good. Anybody else you left?
Excellent.
If you want to be a part of this ongoing masterclass, fill the form below and we'll get back to you real soon.